In this video, I'm going to show you how you can install the right Temu app on your Android smartphone. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, to get and install the right Temu app, you need to go ahead and look for Play Store app on your Android smartphone. From Play Store, make sure you are logged in with your Gmail account, and now you should see a search bar on top here. However, if you can't see the search bar, you should see a search icon on the bottom right. Go ahead and tap on it to activate the search bar. From here, just search your app by name. So I'll search Temu, and then now you can see we have our app here. Tap on it to see the details under the app and make sure it is from Temu. And at the time of recording this app had a star rating of 4.5 with over 10 million reviews. Currently, the app has been downloaded over 500 million times. And at the time you're watching this data might have changed. And the file size is not big. Currently, it is around 15 MBs. So if you see all these details, then you will know that you have the right Temu app. And the tagline is "Shop like a billionaire." And here is the app logo. To get the app now, go ahead and tap on install. And this will go ahead and download the latest version of Temu shopping app and then install it on your smartphone. Once the app has been installed, you can now proceed and tap on open here. Or if you go back to your apps, now you should see we have our Temu app. Tap on it, and this is the welcoming interface. Now you can go ahead and log in or sign into your account to begin shopping. So that's how you can install the right Temu app on your Android smartphone. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.